Hello, my name is Gabriel, and I was a candidate for the just concluded JAMB 2024, and by God's grace, my aggregate score was 304. Thanks to God and thanks to DTW Tutorial for helping me prepare. I encountered DTW Tutorial 2023 towards the end of the year when I was trying to make plans to begin preparation. It was on YouTube. I was going on YouTube to check for videos of people who had written the exam previously and did very well, to know how to better prepare, and God helped me. I encountered DTW. Yes, and basically I categorized what DTW gave into four different aspects. The first one was the tutorials. We had tutorials starting from 2023. It lasted down till I think a week before the exam in 2024. The tutorials were very concise. Yes, they were very concise. They covered syllables, the whole syllable. It was JAMB structured. It was tailor-made for JAMB with experienced teachers, and it was very interactive. We were able to ask questions. The explanations were very clear. Then the second way DTW Tutorial helped me prepare was in providing materials. Honestly, there were some materials I never knew because of where I was staying at the time. I never knew about, but when I got to join DTW Tutorials, I got access to those materials. They were on Telegram. In fact, all materials that one would need for JAMB, you could get from DTW Tutorials. I think they were being posted on the group there. Yes, some of those materials were, particularly the ones I loved and I used, were the 30 days challenge. Yes, where you can finish your whole syllabus in just 30 days. Yes, it takes diligence, it takes hard work, it takes so much sacrifices, but I was able to use that material also. Then the other way DTW Tutorial helped me was in the mentorship. Yes, that aspect was also very, very helpful, honestly. During the mentorship sessions were once in a while though. We were able to ask questions, we were able to be given counsel. The different aspects, the way JAMB sets their questions were explained to us, and prayers also, very important. Yes. Then the last but not the least is the JAMB software. Yes, the DTW Tutorial JAMB app and the application for system. Very, very profound. One of the aspects I like very well about the JAMB app, JAMB software, was the question search. So when I read and I'm through with a particular topic, I can just go on the JAMB search and then search for that specific